In this Mori machine with CELOS CNC, we're gonna see how to get the details of the CNC CPU, serial number, model, etc. We need to edit the window and select settings. And in settings, we need to replace this area with machine settings, that is underneath the setting option or the menu behind maintenance, and then close the edit window and show NC system and parameter display. Here you'll see this arrow that will show you the previous menu, and you have to enter to maintenance. And in here you'll see the CNC serial number, the model, and the unit name. Actually, this, as you can see, this is a Mitsubishi M730 CNC unit. Okay, thank you. By the way, if you need to purchase any unit like this one, you have the options. You have to provide to Mitsubishi these options as they are listed here. If you page down, you'll see more options, and that's the information you have to send to Mitsubishi in order for them to prepare a clone of your unit. Okay, thank you.